morning, students. This is your English period. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Obey your parents, don't go out. Stay safe, stay well at home. Students, today we will do our reader work, means our reader book. Today we will study from our reader book. Okay, that is poem number 5, Our Street. Okay, students, this poem is about a small boy who used to roam in a running street. Running street means a busy street. He met many people and he described them like he met a grocer, a fruiterer, a cobbler, a baker, and many other people. He met and he tells him about them, how they are, right? So in the busy street means it is a busy street, and over there many people comes, like where a grocer, a baker, and a fruiterer is there. So many people will come and buy their things. They come, buy their things, and they go away. So basket men, bag men, and many people were shown in the pic, okay, in the chapter. So the butcher who sells meat, the small boy thinks he is a funny man, and about the baker he thinks he is an angry man, and then he meets a fruiterer, means who sells food. He thinks he is a nice man. Why? Because he always gives him some apples or another food to eat. Then and the grocer, he meets a grocer also. He also wishes him good morning daily. And then at the lastly he meets a cobbler, and the cobbler is always busy in his work, doing something, mending the shoes, but he always tells nice stories to the small kid, to the boy. So the boy thinks that the cobbler is a hard-working and the best friendly man in the street. So this is the story, and now we will do our reader work, this poem reader work, in our classwork copy. Okay, so everyone take out your classwork copy. Since I have already told you that we will do the reader work in our classwork copy, right? Put the date, that is 1st October 2020. Write down classwork, underline it, poem 5, that is Our Street. Exercise 1, that is match the columns, right? A baker. Who is a baker? Who bakes cakes. Number 2, a grocer who sells variety of foods. Number 3, a butcher who sells meat. A cobbler who mends shoes. A fruiterer who sells fruit. Right? This is the way you have to do the match the following. In the same line, the correct answer. Right? A baker who bakes cakes. A grocer who sells variety of foods. A butcher sells meat. A cobbler mends shoes. A fruiterer sells fruits. Right? This is the way you will do the match the following in your exam too. Right? Now, we will come to our exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Number 1. The person in the poem is I already told you in the introduction part that it is a boy. So you will write a boy over here and you will put a tick over here. A boy, a lady, an old man. Who is it? A boy. Second, he lives in a dash street. Quiet, dark, busy. I already told you it is a running street. Running street means a busy street, right? Write down busy over here. Then put a tick over here. Now, third one. Men carry things in their bags and basket to buy, to dash, to buy and sell or throw away. What does he do? He does buy and sell, because in a market people come to buy and sell or take away things. So here we will write buy and sell. Put a tick on buy and sell. Now in the fourth one, carting away things means to carry things away. Throw things, buy things or carry things away. Carting means carry things away. We will write over here carry things away, and we will put a tick over carry things away. Students, here we have completed our periodic exam course. Okay, from tomorrow we will start our revision. Stay safe, stay at home. Have a good day. Thank you. That's all for today.